In this video, we'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, let's dive in. The first step is setting up your Binance account. If you don't have one, visit Binance's website. The link is also in the description below, and click on Register. Follow the prompts to create your account, but remember, security is paramount. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. With your account ready, it's time to fund it. In the wallet section, select fiat and spot to deposit your chosen currency. Follow the provided instructions to deposit funds securely. You can choose to deposit any type of fiat currency that you want, or you can also deposit cryptocurrencies. Your funds are in and you're set to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the trade section on Binance where you'll find various trading options. This will lead you to Bitcoin's trading page. Now, you'll need to choose a trading pair. If you're purchasing Bitcoin with the fiat currency like USD or EUR, select the appropriate trading pair such as BTC USD or BTC EUR. Likewise, if you plan on purchasing BTC with USDT Tether, then go ahead and select BTC USDT. It's decision time. You can place either a market or a limit order. A market order buys Bitcoin at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. Review your order details meticulously. Check the amount of Bitcoin you're buying and the total cost. Once everything looks good, confirm your order. Congratulations! You successfully acquired Bitcoin on Binance. Your purchased Bitcoin is now safely stored in your Binance wallet. This guide has equipped you with the skills to confidently purchase Bitcoin on Binance. Remember, the crypto market is ever evolving, so stay informed and consider your investment strategy carefully. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're eager to start your crypto journey, use the link in the description to create your Binance account. Don't miss out on the exciting world of cryptocurrencies.